John Fergusonsmart here. Just wanted to touch a quick word on one of the key concepts that I think is often overlooked when people talk about test automation, at least in an Agile sense. Traditionally, test automation is all about automating test cases. You write a manual test case, you test manually, you wait till the feature's delivered, you check out the feature, you have a look, and then you automate a test on a stable feature. Well, that's not Agile. That's not how we do things in an Agile process, because it happens way too late. It's a slow feedback cycle. By the time you automate this, developers have moved on to other things. So you're not giving them any benefit when you automate some tests that you've already done a whole lot of manual testing on anyway. No, in Agile, the trick is to forget about the testing aspect of test automation. You're not actually automating test cases. You are automating specifications. You're automating requirements. You are articulating your requirements in a way that can be tested in an automated fashion, potentially. Then you can have the conversation about how you want to automate it. Is it an acceptance test? Is it a unit test? Is it an integration test? Who does the automation? That's a separate question. But have the conversation early. Think about requirements that you need to demonstrate. What requirements at multiple levels? What requirements do you need to demonstrate that works? And which ones of those can you demonstrate in an automated fashion? I never said test there. Testing is a whole separate question. Here we are talking about understanding and collaborating and communicating about the requirements, exploring the requirements. This is what we call in the BDD process, it's the discovery phase. I'd like to call it the illustrate phase. Illustrate is the tactical part of discovery where we actually do example mapping and feature mapping. We drill into details, we explore different aspects and different facets. We have those conversations. We coax out the edge cases and the variations and the things that we don't know. And that leads us to more detailed, more comprehensive understanding. And when we articulate that, then we can automate it. Never said the word test. So the key to Agile test automation is drop the test. That's a whole separate question. Okay, that's all for today, folks. Thanks for listening.